Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you.
Very nice. Mark, wasn't that fun?
Up there, it didn't come out for Dad. A surprise for you, Anthony. What is it? We got you a doggy.
I told you there was another.
Do you like it?
You can keep him.
Here's your doggy forever.
Where's the pot?
You mean the collar?
We have to get him a collar.
You have to pick out the collar.
He's
Do
a
you like
real
him?
dog, Anthony.
He's going to live here every day.
Now you can get out from under the blanket. We just wanted you to stay.
He's scared. He's scared. There's a lot of people in one small room. He's scared.
Is it he or she?
It's only
You gotta be kidding.
What do we name him?
What do you think we could name?
How about Anthony?
No. That's your name.
I like Brutus.
Not Anthony.
Why do you pet him? Talk to him.
It's okay.
He's cute.
This dog is cute. But where did you guys find?
We found him at a store. And we took him home.
Hi.
Where's the water? Because he's
What
licking
do
his
you
chops.
think?
You have any water? You don't. I just want him to have it in here. Where is it?
Anthony, what do you
Just thought it
think?
was silly to bring it in.
Yeah, you put him on there.
It's in the kitchen, on the counter.
Now you have a little brother doggy.
What do you think?
You show him for a while?
No, we can't.
Why?
Because he's scared.
Let's see if he's thirsty. You want some water? You gotta be quiet. You want some water? Okay. He's
Has he been waiting from his mother for a while?
Okay, you
6 months old.
Okay, go get him. No.
Tell the others they can peek in at the door if they want to come look.
Anthony, can we keep him?
Yeah.
We don't know what to name him.
I know. We
I
gotta
only know to name him Anthony.
Anthony.
You could call him,
Why don't we put him on the floor?
if you don't want to call him Brutus, how about
Here be time.
Scotty?
I don't think
Blackie.
he likes Spider-Man. He's a baby. He's afraid of
I
Spider-Man.
don't know. I like what they said, Chewy. I like Chewy. Yeah, everybody names their.
Hey, Mama.
I'm scared of the dog.
He got a little crazy for a minute.
Do you love him? Do you pet him? You want to take care of him?
Tell the others if they want to come in like one at a time at the door because they'll want to see him.
Get good pictures. The puppy's on the floor. All right, come on and see the puppy. And you see the puppy. You have to be quiet. No yelling.
Just keep the door shut in case he runs.
Anthony?
That's it.
So what are you going to name him, Anthony?
How about Anthony?
No, you can't call him
You
Anthony.
got to give him a choice.
Anthony.
How about Pup Pup?
Anthony.
Hey, cutie. What color is the puppy? Anthony, isn't this the best birthday? Just wait your turn, okay? Is it mom and dad great?
He's a dog.
Yes.
He got a little scared. Yeah, and he tried to run because there were too many people like this.
Well, there's a lot for him to absorb, but he's looking in a room he's never been in before.
Yeah.
The puppy's just a little scared.
I don't know if I should put him in my lap or if I should just let him stand there and
Well,
snap.
they like to be soothed. They like,
I would hold him.
Hold him.
you can hold him and pet him.
Come here. They want to feel
Mommy was named him
comforted and
Fiffy.
cozy and.
Mommy was named him Fiffy.
50?
You want
Yeah.
to pet the puppy?
50 Cent? What?
You can.
Fiffy.
You understand me? And just go nice and slow.
Just make sure, you know,
Just
they're
sit
not
here comfortable for a minute,
part
okay? You hold him so
Nice and slow. Now it's a baby. It's not like Luigi. It's a baby.
nice.
That's good. Good job. There you go. Yeah. Just a
Looks like
baby.
he's
Poor
liking it.
baby.
I feel his heartbeat racing a little bit.
Yeah.
Wouldn't yours?
Tongue. Don't touch his tongue. Dog is just a
Did he
baby.
have any water or no?
Yeah, no,
Oh,
he
he
didn't.
did?
He didn't take any.
He's not going to take water when he's
I'm
nervous.
not sure if they had him on a little bottle or not there.
No, they didn't have him on a bottle. I don't
He
think.
was having.
Yeah, I think he had him in a bowl.
It's a boy. Oh, that's
Yeah.
Good boy. You want to hold
All
him?
right, sit down, and then she'll put him in your lap.
You want to go to Anthony?
You can.
Hold him tight.
Hold him. There you go.
He's stronger than
Wait,
you.
so she can take a
There you
picture.
go.
Yep, she wants to get a picture of Anthony and his puppy.
Yeah.
Give him a kiss. Ready, Anthony? Give him a kiss first.
Beautiful.
Don't tie it.
He just wants to give him a kiss.
He's just
too.
giving him a kiss. Aw, that's nice.
You want to go back outside? Back
Yeah,
in
I'm
the
gonna put him back on my lap,
rest of the
okay?
house? All right, in a couple minutes we're going to go home because we got to go home and feed Luigi. He's
That's
hungry.
his nail.
Yeah, he's got nails in his
He's new.
nail.
Being mommy all over again.
Don't tie it.
We can give a crepe on everything to sleep in.
Can you meet the dog yet?
Anthony, do you like it?
Yeah, he's
You know how
called,
hard of a secret it was to keep this from you? I knew around the whole time.
he's called Fifi.
Fifi?
Yeah,
Fiffy or Biffy?
Fifi.
Fiffy?
That's official. It's official. It's Fifi. Fifi's his name. It's not going to change tomorrow.
Put him back on me. I'm putting back on me.
He's shaking. I don't know what to do.
No, give it to him. There's no
No, the
reason not.
dog's shaking.
Yeah, of course he's going to shake. He's nervous.
If you let it get used to him, he'll be more situated to the area.
Put him on me.
Okay.
I'll keep him going safe.
Wait, the door opened. That scared him.
But it's the thickest roll you could get. Every fish imagine.
His name's called Fifi.
Excuse me, what's his name?
Fifi.
50?
Hold him tight.
Somebody help me.
Hold him tight.
F-I-F-T-Y.
Close the door.
More like Fiffy. Fifi. I didn't hear any T there. Fifi.
Well, he can't say it to you, so that's
Very pretty dog, Anthony.
okay. Let him
Let
get
her
one.
go. Let her go. Maybe she would, wants to investigate her pee.
Crack the carpet there? Yeah.
Put him back on.
He doesn't want to sit right
Went to
now.
the bathroom and hasn't eaten.
He hasn't eaten.
We're going to go home.
He did.
Did he have a
Very
drink?
cute.
Did he eat? Can you ask Greg to bring him some food?
Yeah.
And maybe his bed. We can acquaint him with his bed. That's a good idea. Matthew, bring him into the lap right now. He's still getting to know everything. He's a little scared. Bring him into the bed.
Well, it'll be good to hold him.
He's best a baby.
Number two, Amy, if you're going to feed him, I don't think
Right now he's confused.
I'm not going to feed him
You
anything
know
yet.
what?
No, no, right now he's confused. Too many new things.
There's a bed. There's the bed. Go in here.
Wait. He's got to be used to it. Sniff it. Here you go. That's going to be your bed. He's not ready to go in it yet, but at least he'll know that it's there for him.
I think Anthony would fit in the bed.
I was sitting in it before.
Put him in there.
Alright, we're gonna get ready to go.
See if he likes it.
I need you to say thank you to
I just feel bad because he's scared.
That's right.
But I don't know what to do.
No, let Anthony hold him if anything.
Well, he doesn't fit on Anthony's lap.
Oh, thank you for coming. We're going to get ready to go and say
Say
happy
goodbye.
birthday. Give him rounds of kisses.
You know
what? Give him rounds of kisses.
Fine.
We'll pick a name with Daddy later. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for
we'll
coming.
figure out about next weekend.
50?
50.
F-I-F-F-Y.
F-I-F.
F-Y. F-50.
On you.
In here.
You want to sit in there and then he'll go in there with you?
Yeah, he come in there.
Both fit in there.
Bless you. Don't worry, guys. Good. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Good boy. Go ahead, sit down. Sit down. Go ahead, sit down. Yeah, sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
Oh.
He's best to dog.
Amy, smile.
He's best to baby.
No, be
Watch
careful.
your feet.
He's
Don't
your
put your
brother.
foot in the dog's face.
Anthony, he's your brother?
Yeah. His name's called Biffy.
50, yep.
He weighs.
He wants him to lick his foot.
He licked my foot.
I think that was just his wet chin.
I think 10 minutes is enough for this.
Yeah. We just wanted the initial reaction.